Hello, this is Dr. Eric Bricker, and this is how health insurance works. Today's topic is health insurance for smokers. Now, I want to start off here by saying that there is no judgment in this talk at all. Now, you as a smoker cannot be denied health insurance coverage. That being said, there is up to a 50% higher premium that insurance companies are allowed to charge for smokers. Now, it's regulated at the state level, so that's in most states. So there's like 7 states where it's actually against the law to charge smokers more. And in some states, it's not 50%, but it's like 25 or 30%. So you need to check with your state, but the vast majority of states in America, smokers are charged 50% more compared to non-smokers. Next, nicotine replacement has to be covered on a health insurance plan. Now, it doesn't have to be free. They can still charge a copay or charge you for the amount. Now, sometimes, for many health insurance carriers, it actually costs $0 for like nicotine patch. There's a $0 copay. It's free because they want to do everything they can to help you to stop smoking. Next up, oftentimes smokers need to take medications. They need to take, because they have things like chronic bronchitis or emphysema, which is referred to as COPD. Now, oftentimes they have to take an albuterol inhaler. Oftentimes they have to take what's called a long-acting beta agonist inhaler, which is essentially long-acting albuterol. Sometimes they need to take a steroid inhaler. Sometimes they take a combo inhaler, where it's one of these long-acting inhalers plus a steroid inhaler. So Advair is a very common example of one of those inhalers. Sometimes you have to take steroid pills. Now, almost all of these inhalers are brand name, and they're very expensive. Some of them are upwards of like $435. So if you're choosing an individual plan or a family plan, you might want to choose a plan that has copays, because you could save money because you'd only pay a $50 or a $75 copay as opposed to the full like $400. Now, you might also want to make sure that you sign up for a silver plan, because the silver plans actually tend to have better copays than the bronze plans. So obviously you have to check for yourself, but it's important to keep in mind that if a smoker, you have to be covered, your nicotine replacement has to be covered. A lot of times it's free, and a lot of your other medications are expensive, so you might want to get a copay plan so you don't have as much out-of-pocket costs. And that's how health insurance works.